Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Harini. I hope you're doing great. I'm back with a new video to share my top time management techniques and I hope you find them useful. Before we get into the video, I would request you to hit that subscribe button, the red one, and the little bell next to it so you get to know every time I post another video. So without further delay, let's get into the video with my top time management skills. One of the important tips when it comes to time management is to find the right system that works for you and your day. If you don't stick to it, then what's the point of having a system? So, one of the important techniques that most people use is called the quadrant time management technique. The quadrant time management system is probably one of the most effective time management techniques out there. It splits your activities into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. Things are either urgent or important or both or neither. Stay away from the 4th quadrant, which is neither. Tip number 2 is to tackle your biggest and ugliest frog first. If you've read the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy, he talks about tackling your most difficult task first thing in the morning, so you will have a much better momentum for the rest of your day. So I call these the MITs, the most important tasks, and which need to be tackled first thing in the morning in your workday. Dedicate your mornings to find the MITs or the most important tasks of the day and start working on them immediately. Next step is to follow the Pareto principle. Pareto principle talks about finding that 20% of tasks which give you 80% of your result. Once you identify these important 20% tasks, you can put them in your MITs as the most important tasks of the day. So you're not wasting your time on menial tasks which are not giving you the required results. So always try to practice 80-20 rule. Find those important 20% tasks which are giving you the 80% results. The way to use Pareto principle effectively is to reverse engineer your results. Find out what are the results you want and what are the tasks that will get you those results. Find that 20% important task to get your 80% results. The most important technique which I've learned from a lot of people who have super busy lives but are very tactful in handling all responsibilities well is to schedule in a response time. So they don't have time to respond to anything that is coming up on their platter, but rather they have control about when they respond to it. So dedicate 1 hour after you tackle your MITs to respond to your emails, respond to your social media comments if you're into social media business. Even otherwise, it is good to take a break, but do it in a scheduled way. The next important technique which I personally follow is called the traffic light system. And in here you divide up the task into 3 categories: red, blue and green. What you do in the red task is whatever task you're writing down in that list has to be done immediately on the same day. Blue tasks are super important and it has to be done urgently within today or tomorrow. But if it doesn't happen in these 2 days, it moves into the red task. And then comes the green category, which can be done in 3 days time. Otherwise, it will keep upgrading itself or escalating itself into the red category. So your objective is to keep the red category list 0 and keep the green category minimal so that it doesn't keep escalating into the other categories. So this is a simple technique which I follow, which I put up in Excel, and it really does work well, especially when you're working on multiple projects at the same time, especially at work. So this will give you an idea about what you need to dedicate your time to and what are your MITs or your biggest and least frogs. I hope you found this video useful and I used some of the techniques which I've shared. If you're going to, please comment below and I would love to interact with you as well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. The ID is in the description box and in the pinned comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Before that, please subscribe.